be a place where the sun will shine.